Hopefully this will film that because I won't be able to see nothing. Right, Top Speed Test, KTM 250 EXC 2018. At the same time, we might as well do it against the 2019 same bike 250 EXC. TPI, TPI. Let's see how fast this baby goes. Ready? Go on, let's go. How fast do you get? 55. How fast? Huh? How fast? 55. 90. 90. What? 6. What? 6. Put it in 6. Yeah. Right, ready? Yeah. Right, it's 1, 2, 3 and then go. Oh, bye! Bye 19! Ta-da, buddy! Ah, sister! This bike's so good! I can't believe this is faster than my 450 Honda. That's insane. That's insane! My baby, I'm so happy. You did it, good girl. Good girl. Smashed it.